We are about to produce Carrot Tumeric Bathing bar soap. So in here is 150 gram of caustic soda soaked in 500 ml of water for 24 hours. This is 1 liter of PK oil. This is a teaspoon of brown rice powder, sandalwood powder, allantoin powder, and konjac acid powder. I would really appreciate it if you browse about the benefits of this powder to the skin. This is the honey, original honey I'm going to use. This is my perfume, 100 ml perfume. This is my fresh carrot puree and turmeric puree. Then this are my mold that I'm going to pour in my soap after production. Let's dive into the production proper. So I'm going to pour in my puree inside my EA solution, that is the caustic soda solution. I'm going to stir it very well to blend. So are you seeing it? You stir it very well. Stir very well. After stirring for some minutes, like 3 minutes, you pour in your powders and stir very well. Stir it very well. Stir it very well. If you have electric mixer, please use it. Stir it very well. After stirring it very well, you pour it into your oil. And continue to stir. Continue to stir very well. At this junction, you add your honey. Then continue to stir so that it will blend very well. Then at this junction, you add in your perfume. Continue to stir very well. Stir it very well so that all the ingredients will blend before you pour it into your soap mold. Our soap is now ready to be poured inside the mold. So gently pour it inside your mold. Gently. If you have watched to this junction, please do well to subscribe to my channel. We have finished pouring our soap inside the mold. As you can see, my improvised mold, everything is set. So you allow it to cure for 24 hours before you unmold. And make sure not to spread your soap under the sun. Thank you. Bye.